Hi everyone, in this video I quickly show you how to disconnect Facebook from Spotify. So let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the three-line menu in the top corner. Scroll down. After that, go to Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Find apps and website. Scroll down. Tap on apps and website. Here you will see all apps connect to your Facebook account. Find and tap on Spotify. Tap on the remove button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Simply tap on remove again to finish the process. Spotify is now disconnected from your Facebook account. That's it. If this helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.